Hello student, today we will do question number 24 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. We will do question number 24. Integrate this. So first we will write this EX 1 minus sin x. Sin x we can write 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2 divided by 1 minus cos x we can write 2 sine square x by 2. This is dx and this is integration pi and this is pi by 2. Now we will divide this 1 by this and this by this. So we will write pi by 2 ex 1 by 2 sine square x by 2 minus 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. This divided by this divided by 2 sine square x by 2. This is dx. So this will be cut 2 sine x by 2 and 2 will cut and this will be cut. So this will be pi by 2 ex. This will be 1 by 2 cosec square x by 2 minus this will be cot x by 2 dx. This is now, if we take a minus out, then this will be pi by 2 ex. This will be positive, then cot x by 2 and this will become negative, minus 1 by 2 cosec square x by 2 dx. Now we see that this is on the formula integration of integration of on this formula ex fx plus f dash x integration dx is equal to ex fx. On this formula we will integrate this because cot x differentiation is minus 1 by 2. This, if we will differentiate this, so we will get this, so we can use this formula. So integration of this will be then minus e x into cot x by 2. This is integration, and limit will be this pi by 2. Now we'll put limit, so we'll get if we take minus outside, means minus put e pi by 2 e pi, first we'll put pi, e pi into cot pi by 2 cot pi. Cot pi and pi by 2. This is, and minus and minus plus, then this will be plus e, then pi by 2 into cot pi by 2. This is, so now cot pi by 2 is 0, so 0 into this will be 0, and e pi by 2 and cot pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2 and this 2, so this will become 4, then this will become cot, because pi by 2, so this will become 4. So cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. So this e pi by 2 will be answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.